Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Raph from the new Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Mutant Mayhem movie. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with Raph from the new Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Mutant Mayhem, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a line that's going to go down, and then I'm going to come up like this in a check mark. Then I'm going to do the same thing here. We're just going to go down, and then we'll come up. Now, right here, I'm going to make kind of like an oval shape for the eye. And then I'll do the same thing over here. Let's just make like that oval shape for the eyes. Let's add a small circle inside each one for the pupils. And then we'll go ahead and color in most of this. You can leave just a little bit white if you want to. That way it looks like there's a little bit of a reflection in there. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. We're going to go over and then down. And then right here, we're just going to make a line that's going to come out. We're going to bring it down and over. Kind of looks like the head of a Goomba. Now, starting here, let's make a long line for a smile. And we'll put a little line on each end. And then we'll do a little line right here for the chin. Now, starting here, let's draw a line that comes down and then up. And that'll be for his mask. Now, starting here, let's make a little half circle. And then let's make a line that's going to come up, down, and up. And we'll do that same thing. Let's go up, down, and up, and then we'll connect it for like the little tails on the mask. Let's do the same thing here. Let's go up, down, and up. And then same thing. We'll go up, down, and then up, and connect it. Now, starting here, let's make two little lines that come in for the neck. And then right here, let's make a line that's going to curve down and then up for the front of the shell. Next, let's bring this line down on each side. And then we're going to bring this line down, we're going to curve it around and come back up. Now, starting here, let's come right down with a line. And then we'll do the same thing over here. Let's bring this line over here. Then we're going to come out here and out here. Now, right here, let's make a line that's going to come up. We're going to bring it down and back up. And then same thing here. Let's go up, down, and back up. And that's going to be the thumbs. Now, for the fingers, let's go out, down, and in for one. And then same thing. We'll go out, down, and back in for the other. We'll do that same thing over here. Let's go out, down, and in for one finger. Then we'll go out, down, and back in. Next, we're going to go in and then right up towards the shell. Same thing here. We're going to go in and then right up towards the shell. Now, starting here, let's make the legs. So we're going to come down, and then we're going to go in like this. Same thing here. Let's go out at an angle, and then we'll come in. Now for the feet, we're going to go out, and then we're just going to come down and in for a toe. I'll do the same thing here. Go out, come down, and then in. Let's do it over here too. Let's go out, down, and then in for one of the toes. We'll go out, down, and then in. We're going to make this line come in on each side. Then we're going to bring this up and into here. Same thing, we'll bring this up and then into here. Now let's make the shell. So I'm going to start here and let's draw a line that's going to curve down. And we'll do that on each side. We'll bring this down to here. Same thing here, we're just going to bring this down. And then we'll just curve this across here at the bottom. Then I'm going to make the little outer part of the shell. So I'll do that same thing. We're just going to curve this all the way around. And we're going to do this on both sides. Just kind of continue this curve. And then right down here too. Now we have our basic shape. Let's come in here and add some of the fun details now. So right in the middle, let's make a circle for his belt. And then let's draw a little R right inside of there. I'm going to draw a line. This line's going to come all the way out to the shell. So we're just going to draw a line that's going to come all the way here. And then a second one that's going to come here. We'll do the same thing here. Just come out all the way to the shell. And then same thing here. And then right here, I'm going to draw a little line. And I'm going to make a little V shape in here so it looks like a little pack. Now right here, let's go ahead and draw a line that comes down to here. And then we're going to make a line that kind of curves, just like that. Now, right along the shell, let's make a few little lines on here, just for some details. And we're just going to put a few lines on here just to kind of make the shell look a little bit more realistic. Now right here, I'm going to draw 2 lines on the wrist and then 2 lines on the elbow. Same thing here, 2 lines here and then 2 lines right here. Now I'll do the same thing here. We'll make 2 lines across here, right along the top of the feet, and we'll make 2 lines right on the knee. Now we want to draw his knives that he's holding. So let's go ahead and draw a line that's going to come up, over, and down. And then over here, we're going to do it the other way. We're going to go down, over, and then up. Let's draw a line that's going to come out and in. Same thing here. We're going to go out and in. Then we'll come up and over. Do the same thing. We'll come up and over. Then we're just going to make this come down and then back up for that middle point. Same thing here. Let's go out and come up. We'll go out and come up. I like to put a little curve on there. We're going to come down and in on each side. Then we're going to come up to a point and down. Then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to add 2 little lines up here for his eyebrows. And there you go. There is your drawing of Raph from the new Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Mutant Mayhem movie. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.